Okay, so China bans cryptocurrency. Well, not exactly. Let's talk about it, right? So, a lot of people are concerned with the current events regarding China and the banning of cryptocurrency. And I want to get into that and look at why this actually is a good thing for us here in the United States. Um, okay, so people are worried that because China banned the exchange of fiat currency into cryptocurrency at the institutional level, that the United States may follow suit in an effort to protect the US dollar. Something similar happened a number of years back where, you know, digital gambling was nearly fully outlawed and you could transfer money from your personal bank account to these gaming sites and couldn't do a wire transfer either. So that's been essentially abolished. Um, this is the same type of fear that people have in regard to the cryptocurrency markets. They're just worried that the US is going to follow suit with China. Personally, I don't see that happening. It is possible, but I just don't see it happening. Um, Cryptocurrency for us here in the United States right now, in my opinion, has a momentum that it's never had before. Um, and if it has, I mean, it's getting a lot of attention. A lot more than before, I'd say. I've been paying attention since 2015, and it's almost never was on the news back then. Um, so when we look further into this article that was put out, basically it tells a story of China banning cryptocurrency, saying that it's a threat to their economic stability. When you look further into that report, you see that they don't, not report, it's an article, but when you look further into this, basically, um, you see they don't ban anybody from holding cryptocurrency. They've only banned the exchange um, of it. So this actually creates market stability, in my opinion. Um, we could guesstimate that at least between maybe 20 to 60% of all cryptocurrency holdings are or were from, you know, investors or Chinese investments. And if this is true, this now means that the equivalent percentage of investors would be effectively hodling all their shares without moving it around. This creates a floor price that's sturdy and can be built upon. Um, Anytime you have a commodity or anything that could just people buy it and hold it and buy more and hold it, this is gonna definitely bring the value of that commodity up because in retrospect it almost minimizes its available supply. Um, if you were to interpret this from another perspective, one wouldn't be wrong if they said that China was forced to have diamond hands and hold until they're told, which effectively is what's happened here. And like I said, that outcome most likely will lead to maybe 25% increase in market stability after this period of correction that we're seeing right now. But look, this is just my opinion, so take everything with a grain of salt. Um, I do think though a slower, more gradual climb will likely be the long-term outcome versus a more volatile daily movement, just because of the number of people restricted from trading, right? So yeah, a slower, more gradual climb will likely be the outcome of this. Um, I think in the long run, this could make the markets more attractive for investors who enjoy the subtle movements of the stock market as opposed to the crypto sector. In a way, because crypto supply has been restricted, this for me somehow increases its value when considering scarcity. So my take on this is super bullish. That's all there really is to this. We always will see corrections in the markets after a strong bull run, which we just had. Once everything finds its floor, that's going to be a really strong building foundation. These are absolutely historical lows we're seeing here for some of these cryptos the last week, as well as a large majority of Wall Street as a whole in general. Um, Look, I always want to say, make smart investments, know when to take your profits, know how much to keep in, and make informed and smart, safe decisions. I appreciate y'all watching so much. Please like, please subscribe, please turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted because this market moves fast, and if you miss developing news, you could miss money. So, thanks guys, appreciate it.